I want
You can say no, so much money there.
we let it and this needs to be weight in this shape so that the water and the gutter should be kept both the same. The cleanliness is very important. So we need to start from somewhere, and what better place to start than the market?
So what do you have advised the mayor or the city corporation?
My advice to the mayor that to instead of sitting in the office to come and have a round. That is very important. Even commissioner should have a round and see what is happening in the district.
So what do you have asked them to keep this clear up? What do you have asked them to clear up over unwanted things? Or what?
Now, as far as the fish market is concerned, that we need to change the tiles. Now, what I said, as far as the quality GSR is concerned of theirs, it is more. The government has got certain budget or certain cost which the tiles cost. But those tiles, if you put now, it is not going to help. Cleanliness is not going to come from that. So we in fact want to enhance the quality of the tiles. While we said when enhancement of the quality of the tiles are concerned, those we will bear the cost of it.
Okay. And what about the market over here? You spoke about fish.
Now, fish market is one. Now here, these people are feeling hot and all. I am also feeling hot. You are also feeling hot. I can see the sweat you are going. The most important, these people need to basically do their business in comfort. So my proposal is to basically have fans in the first place for them. So at least that comfort, they are in the comfort zone. And there are so many things to be done here. Still now this is just a start.
Car parking is the main issue.
Car parking is the main issue. Car parking, there are no lights there. Now car parking, I just heard that who is taking the car parking, this thing is someone from municipality. I just don't trust them, to tell you frankly. Because now I asked him how much they must be getting income, he's saying 1,000 rupees. I'm saying even if I and you sit down there, we will make at least 3,000 rupees.
They have plans, you mean to say?
They have plans and what they intend to do.
Exactly.
This is the first thing what they have to start from the market.
Correct.
So they are going to beautify something else, what is not necessary. So that is the reason I am having an inspection day after tomorrow, as far as the smart city is concerned.
Okay.
I called the CEO and I told them I want to. And second thing, I told them to see that a board is displayed in all the works which smart city is taking. Then estimate that date of this everything should be there. So the people should be aware that what is the cost of what they are doing.
How they have.
Yeah, everything should be there. A license, who has got the tender, when the tender is supposed to be completed. There's some they are doing something at Amrut Mission there, Miramar. There's nothing. I asked him what is it. Where's the estimate? I said, people should know, no? Why people should file RTI? It is a part and this thing of their duty, basically to mark that area, whichever development they are doing.
Yesterday there was supposed to be a program for the people to give their grievances regarding what they want for the.
CM basically postponed that.
Yeah, so now
I have asked the CM basically to take up the smart city this thing as the chairman of the smart city. CM also should. That is my proposal.
So yesterday's program which was postponed when they intend to.
No, I don't know. That is CM will decide.
Will you talk with CM that
no, we are going to form a committee as far as that architect engineers are concerned to Penja. They are going to basically assist the smart cities concerned. Any project, whatever smart city is taken up now, it will have to go through them. It's very clear.
CCP parking भी असं अंडरग्राउंड त्याच्यावर किती तुमचे
अंडरग्राउंड पार्किंग आता पहिला आम्ही लाईटी ना म्हणून आता ती लाईटीची आम्ही अरेंजमेंट करता ऑप्शन झालं लिस्ट आहे आपल्याला आपण लाईटी स्पॉन्सर करता म्हणून फॅन झाला फॅनही त्याने सांगला आपण स्पॉन्सर करता बाय मंडे पर्यंत फॅन बसेम झालं म्हणजे फाल्यात त्या आम्ही लिस्ट दितले कितके लाईटी जाय कितके फॅन जाय त्याप्रमाणे तो आमकां अवेलेबल करून दितलो आनी आमी रोखडेच आमचे इलेक्ट्रिशियन आसा आमी बसोवन घेतले भायर ज्यो गाडयो लायता पळय दिसभर नुस्त्याच्यो गाडयो आसा सकाळच्यान तांकां आमी 9 पर्यंत टायम दिसलो 9 पर्यंत एक गाडी फाल्यां आमी दिसचे ना एक 2-4 दिसान हांवें ऑलरेडी PI ट्रॅफिक ब्रँडना कडेन उलयला ब्रँडनान इन्स्पेक्शन करुया म्हणल्यार चड करून ताका फाल्यां इन्स्पेक्शनाक घेवन येतलो आनी भायर खंयच तुमकां त्या लायनीक गाडी म्हणटा ते आमी दिसचे ना ती फुटपाथ सारकी क्लियर आसतली
नाही अंडरग्राउंड पार्किंगाची तुम्ही ऍडव्हर्टायझिंग करतली तिंगा भायरची लायन
पे पार्किंग पळय ही पे पार्किंग आसा ही आनी अंडरग्राउंड ही दोन्ही आम्ही कलेक्ट करता आता आम्ही एक डिसिजन कावन्सिलाक घेता की कोणाक तरी पयलीं कशें पे पार्किंग घेताले करून टेंडर करून सोपो आनी पे पार्किंग तो एकटो घेता न्हू तशें आमी करून सोदता पळय आतां कशें कितें जाता तें कावन्सिल मिटींग डिसिजन घेता फिश मार्केटान हांव आतां 1 वर्स जालें मार्केट कमिटी चॅरमॅन ते नुस्तें कापता ते पळय ती एरिया सारकी डेवलप करपाक आमकां आनी जागो ना म्हणजे आसा तोच जागो आमी आतां डेवलप करचो पडटलो ती थर्ड फेज मार्केट जातलें ना जातलें कित्याक आजुनी कांय तेजी कांय स्टेप्स अजुनी कांयच घेवना गव्हर्मेंटान जावं कांयच हें ना म्हणटच आमी हे आसा तेच मार्केट अपग्रेड करचे पडले